Do you not have a muffler?
I don't. This is mufflerless. I know I am. I'm excited.
Why is that? Are we just gonna do a reality TV show? You just get everything I do in my life?
Yes, this.
You gotta get
What should we name it?
You gotta get the quality pour in there.
Jeez, don't hog all the angle.
I hate myself.
When you're made of all skeleton, you need the calcium.
Spooky, scary skeleton.
Trevor, what do you want to say to the vlog about this Scoobaroo? Dude, it's crazy. It just popped. Dude, one more. Hop in?
Yeah, I'm just gonna take it for a rip.
Okay.
Oh, the airbag's in the back seat.
Okay, no plates. That's good.
Oh, we're just gonna go.
Alright.
I just realized as we came down here, the people at the beginning of the road are most likely the cops.
Holy fuck! It's fast!
My alignment's just a little off.
Spooky, scary, very happy.
I haven't been able to drive it like this because it hasn't been like that.
The rest of the video is just gonna be a disappointment after that. Thanks, Trevor! Thanks, bud! Now he's just showing all up.
So
That's not a Subaru. Where's the intercooler, Trevor?
that's new metal and heat back.
It smells horrible.
Yep. This car's so dirty.
It's only gonna get dirtier. Here, open that trunk. Go peep that exhaust.
What kind of fucking tip is this?
A fat one.
Do you not have a muffler?
I don't. This is mufflerless.
You know how that.
I know I am. What do you think, though?
That's it?
Yeah. And then we got
Hardware.
instructions
Go.
and hardware and stickers.
Awesome.
What do you think?
Sweet. Obviously, first part of the install, stickers.
Obviously. Wait, or should that be the last? Because that's what adds the horsepower.
now to make the exhaust work, you gotta put the sticker on.
It's silent without the stickers.
It doesn't work without the stickers.
It's not working. Put the stickers on. We got what Trevor says is a metal support brace for the body off. That was a pain. That was. Let me get under here. That was right around where Trevor is, right where he's poking that. Yeah, there. Show him, Trevor, again. Oh yeah, that was there. That's covering part of the exhaust pipe that we had to get off. Currently soaking exhaust hangers, once the camera focuses, exhaust hangers with WD-40, so it slides off easy. Anything you want to add, Trevor?
Nope. Bother me.
So we just got spring bolts off here, spring bolt off here. We're gonna remove the mid pipe. That was just not fun because these were right on. We got WD and that it came off pretty good. Trevor, any words about that on a scale of 1 to 10? I got steel crispy.
10?
Trevor's the leader of the operation, even though it's my car.
I don't know why. I've just been fucking delegated shop foreman.
Well, it's your house, and you know more. I don't know how well you can see me, but it's fun. I'm actually having fun. You having fun, Trevor?
Nope.
Do you have that emotion?
Nope.
You don't have that? What emotions do you have?
None.
None?
Everybody knows that. That was a fucking stupid question mark. Jesus Christ.
God. Good lifetime source vlog cursing. Us. Alright, I'm gonna.
Really?
Yeah, we don't curse on this channel. But
not?
new good lifetime.
So you wanna be a gangster?
I'm gonna put the camera down, I'll give you a hand. What are we doing now, Trevor?
I'm cutting
What are we cutting?
the exhaust off.
And why is that? You know what the worst part is? That wasn't in focus. So it's like 3/4 of the way there and it's just goggles. So Trevor's looking for a Sawzall. Because the way that the exhaust is it goes over. What's it go over, Trevor?
Fucking your entire rear suspension.
Yeah, it goes over basically the whole rear suspension.
Which is
and
normal, but there's no flange to undo it.
yeah, what Trevor said, he explained it well. And that's not gonna slide through, so we gotta cut that. And then the way HKS set it up is that's 2 pieces. Let me zoom out. That's 2 pieces, so we don't run into the same issue. But the way that the stock exhaust is this is all in one piece. So right now, Trevor is gonna cut that, and then we're gonna bolt this up, and it's gonna be a day. So I gotta charge the camera. We're gonna work on getting that off. I'll get some iPhone shots. So the mid pipe is now installed, and now we gotta work on the next part. Once we got everything off, the install so far it's cars, so nothing works. The install is actually pretty straightforward, just a couple bolts, make sure the hangers are all lined up. But the real part is, if you can see, is this. We got to get the pipe up and over so we can attach it to the no muffler tailpipe. So that's where we're at right now. Trevor's being lanky somewhere, and yeah. No, what'd you say?
What?
What'd you say?
I said fuck it.
I'm gonna get this on, put the flange on, bolt it up, and then all we have left to put on is the tailpipe. This is too simple. Something's gonna happen. So I'm gonna get this on right now.
Slot.
Finishing touch. Gotta put the sticker on. Yeah, it's gonna be a sticker car. Yeah, gotta put stickers on. So we're gonna put this on. We're gonna end the video. If you guys liked it, make sure you comment, subscribe, follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Our links are in the bio, in our description rather. And yeah, today was a good day. Thanks, Trevor. Yeah, he's not a happy person. So we're gonna end here. Make sure you live the good lifetime, and thank you for watching.